Hi everyone, welcome to my craft channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy anti-wrinkle eye gel. Now it's only 2 ingredients, so we've got the aloe vera. This is a organic aloe vera and I got this from, well, I got it offline off Amazon, but you can get it also from Holland & Barrett and Body Care, and I'm sure probably other places as well if you look around. So that's that. And then I've also got a frankincense essential oil. I got this off Amazon. Now we're going to be using a really low percentage essential oil today at 0.5% as it's around the eye area. Now the bottle I've got, this is a tub that I saved from an eye cream I had previously, and it's 10 millilitres. So we're going to put 10 millilitres into our tub. There we go. And then we're going to add 1 drop of frankincense essential oil. And that's all we need, 1 drop. And that is 0.5%. So we're going to give that a stir around. I've got this little eye gel applicator here that came with my cream, but you can use anything you've got, and it's always good to use an applicator because it stops any transfer of bacteria into your product from your fingers. So there we go. There is your anti-wrinkle eye gel. So you can apply this at night before bed or even in the morning. And it's that easy to make, very quick, very easy, and really beneficial for your eyes. It's worth looking up the benefits of aloe vera and frankincense oil for anti-wrinkle and rejuvenating properties. I hope you like my video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.